Hello guys, this is Shu channel. Today I'm gonna take reaction video and you can see today's guest is GIGI De Lana, cover queen in the Philippines. And why I know her is on YouTube they put her as recommendation, so that's why I know. And this is the first time I listen her song, so let's try how I react. And before watching the video, please subscribe to my channel and put the notification bell to not miss my future videos. Thank you. Okay, let's get started. Yeah, she's beautiful.
A few stolen moments is all that we share. You've got your family, and they need you there. Though I've tried to resist being last on the list, but
And
no
voice is so clear.
one's gonna do. So I'm saving all my love
Yeah,
for
I
you.
definitely love her style.
It's not very easy living all alone. My friends try and tell me find a man of my own, but each time I try, I just break down and cry, 'cause I'd rather be home feeling blue. So I'm saving all my love for you.
Yeah, I wanna listen her song in person.
You used to tell me we'd run away together. Love gives you the right to be free. You said be patient, just wait a little longer. That's just an old fantasy. I've got to get ready just a
And I love her appearance as well. So beautiful.
Gonna get that old feeling when you walk through that door. 'Cause tonight is the night for feeling alright. We'll be making love the whole night through. So I'm saving all my love. Yes, I'm saving all my love. Yes, I'm saving all my love for you.
Yeah, I saw the situation. I'm in front of beachside and drinking beer, and those kind of occasion, this is really fit. While listening her song.
No other woman is gonna love you more. 'Cause tonight is the night that I'm feeling alright. We'll be making love the whole night through.
Whoops, what happened? Suddenly stopped. What's this? Yeah, but it's okay. I will review her video. Yeah, that's amazing. She's amazingly beautiful and so good for watching and also good for listening her voice. So she's the perfect for me. Mm. So I hope I can listen her song in person in the Philippines, of course. But if it allowed, while drinking beer. Mm. So when I was in Subic, I listened the same song at the restaurant in Blue Rock Resort, and yeah, I have a good memory for that. So it this song associated with a good memory, so it increases more favorable power to watch her. Mm. So yeah, I I hope I can meet her in person. Okay, today this is it. I reacted to Gigi De Lana, and please subscribe to my channel and don't forget to push the notification bell to not miss future videos. Okay, today this is it. Bye for now.